Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this tutorial I'm going to quickly show you how to cancel order on Puma app. So let's get into the video. So open up the Puma app, and if you have an account you can log into your account. So once you've logged into your account, so what you can do here, if you click on your account option here, and then here under orders, click on the orders tab. Under orders tab you'll be able to see all the orders that you have placed. So if you have logged into your account, so once you click on orders, you'll see all the orders that you have purchased. Since I have not signed in or logged in, so I don't see my orders here, and also I don't have any orders. Or else you can also enter the order number and email and then click on get orders and search for the orders. So once you get the order, all you have to do if you want to cancel it, simply click on that order, and then there will be a cancel option, and you just have to hit that cancel option to cancel that order. Please note that this is only applicable to orders that are eligible for cancellation, because some orders, for example, if you have passed the cutoff time, then you may not be able to cancel it. So we have to just contact the customer service in order to get it to request for a cancellation. But apart from that, if your order is cancelable, you just have to open the order, select it, and then hit on the cancel option. And that's pretty much it is. Hope this information and video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.